I assume we're all very new to database, new to DBA. Let's start from the scratch. Let's start from the very basics of what is database, what is DBA. And this is Sai Fanindra from SQL School. I would be the trainer. I would be the caretaker for your DBA classes from tomorrow. Today, let's have a short introduction towards what is DBA and what we do as a database administrator. Before we learn before we get to know about our job roles, what is database? Database is a platform to store any type of data, any amount of data. A platform to store any type of data, any amount of data, no exceptions at all. And to work with databases, we need something called DBMS. What is this? It's a software to store, secure, manage databases. A software to store, secure, and manage databases. So example DBMS like SQL Server, IBM DB2, MySQL, Oracle, so on. Out of all these products from various companies, prefer to go for Microsoft SQL Server. Cheaper, easy to use, free technical support and free updates, and supports any cloud platform. I repeat, what is that our agenda today? We need to understand the definition, what DBA means. Gopal, do you hear me? I could see you join just now. Do you hear me, please, Gopal? Check your mic,
Yes,
please.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Perfect. Thank you. Thank you. Well, so database, a platform to store any type of data, any amount of data. Just like this, you have an Excel file. To open Excel file locally in your computer, you need MS Office. Some Office software is required to open Excel file. Same way, to open database, to administer database, or actual course DBA, to manage database, we need DBMS software, database management system. This is our actual course, DBMS, database management, also called DBA. Database management, nothing but database administration. And different companies came with different software products to manage and maintain databases. We prefer SQL Server product from Microsoft company. Cheaper, easy to use, free technical support and free updates. And this SQL Server supports any cloud platform. It supports any cloud platform. Cloud, a remote storage part of our classes. Cloud management towards database part of our classes. Now, understanding what is database, let's see what we do as a DBA. Okay, so here it is, very simple and straight. Assume a car. Car has different spare parts designed by various third-party vendors, etc., and all those spare parts will be assembled in a car plant. Then car gets on road, then comes service, maintenance, repairs, etc. Same way database. Database developers will be involved in design of databases. Just like car has multiple spare parts, our database will also have multiple spare parts we are going to learn from tomorrow. Okay, those spare parts we need to manage as a DBA. Tables, keys, indexes, procedures, views, functions, triggers, schemas, synonyms, users, logins, roles, so on. There are 35 objects, 35 spare parts in a database we need to manage. That is what DBA does. As simple as that. So, just like servicing and managing a car on road, as long as the database exists, until end of the life of a database, DBAs are required for routine maintenance, management, repairs, upgrades, tuning, optimizations, etc. So this is what we do as a DBA, remember. So developers' job roles are short term. DBAs job roles are permanent. Wherever there is data, DBA is required. No second thought. So as a DBA, we need to exhibit exceptional troubleshooting skills. And that is our course. We'll start from the very basics of database, SQL and architecture concepts first. Then slowly proceed for basic DBA activities like tuning, jobs, backup, security, health checks, and audits, reports, etc. Then we have next module, advanced DBA activities, common errors and solutions, something called updates, upgrades, rebuilds, trace activities, high availability, disaster recovery, HADR, high availability. What does it mean? To ensure database is available 24/7. Just like inverter at our house, power will be available 24/7, something like that. Disaster recovery. If my database is down at one server, from other server it should be up and running fine. Disaster recovery. As a DBA, we are responsible to maintain the correct state of database 24/7 availability. There's something called log shipping, mirroring, etc. with 6 weeks journey. 3 boxes, 6 weeks journey, common for everyone. For experienced profiles comes next module, Azure DBA. It involves Azure is Microsoft Cloud. We have migrations, database and transaction unit activities, architectural items, DTUs, EDTUs, elastic queries, tuning, auditing, security, backup, point in time recovery, virtual machines, clustering always on, etc. So first 6 weeks is common for everyone. That is called level 1 or plan A. Then extra 4 weeks for Azure DBA. Plan for 10 weeks course total. Either you opt for our live training from tomorrow or our classroom training again from tomorrow at our school in Hyderabad. Either online or in-house classroom, they go in parallel. Or in case of time constraint, then you can even register module wise for our video classes. You take one box, one module, you complete the practice and all exercises, then next module and so on, if it is video training. So I assure you complete practice orientation from the very basics. Trust me, from the scratch. At our job desk, what we do, here it is. end users will raise complaints like my server down, my database down, my data is missing, my table is slow, etc. What is that? Server down, database down, data missing, or something is slow, or something is operating unexpectedly. Those kind of problems, errors will be raised by end users through a web interface called ticketing tools. We are going to learn that process. BMC remedy ticketing tool will be learning in our classes. From ticketing tool, the ticket, the issue will be assigned to L1 DBA, L1 support DBA. Here it's all about monitoring, server, database, monitoring activities, audits, jobs, alerts, health checks, etc. From L1 support, usually junior DBAs would be in L1 team, level 1 team. They try to solve the problem. If not, they escalate it to L2, level 2. These are senior DBAs, L2 support, experienced DBAs. They involve in troubleshooting, tuning, high availability disaster recovery, replication, monitoring, and something called log management, security management, etc. Maintenance and other things. Sometimes even they cannot handle the situation which is expected by the customer, or they may not be able to meet the desired expectations of the customer. Then comes L3 support, senior management. We have something called, for example, I was working for Microsoft between 2005 to 2009 in one project called BGCOE, Business Group Center of Excellence. It is still there. The project is still there. It's Microsoft internal project. And I still remember we used to have something called PM team, problem management team, as L3. Then later I was with Deloitte, and there we used to simply call them as L3 DBS only. Infosys, I was working for one project called PSIT Ops, Platform Service IT Operations, in Hyderabad and Bangalore. And there we see not L1, L2, L3, we used to call them as tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. T1, T2, T3 we used to call. I mean, company to company, terminology may change, but the overall architecture would be almost similar. L1, L2, L3, or tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. And L3 is more into problem management, senior DBA kind of activities. 4+5+ experienced database administrators fall under this dark green category. So in our classes from tomorrow, we'll start from the very basics, understand slowly, step by step, something called the maintenance DBA activities. What is that? Yes, we call it as the number 1, maintenance DBA activities. What does it mean? Maintenance DBA activities like routine maintenance, auditing, monitoring, etc. Emergency DBA activities, what we do if a server is down, database is down, etc. But to step into these DBA activities by later next week, this week from tomorrow and next week, we need to have all the fundamentals first. Fundamentals first, then comes actual DBA concepts next. So all these 25 plus 25, 50 activities common for everyone. First 6 weeks journey. Then experience profiles, for our job, day-to-day job needs comes Azure DBA activities, another 40 items. Azure, Microsoft Cloud, right from migrations to migration issues, auditing, troubleshooting, tuning, always on, clusters, virtual machines, PowerShell, so on, part of our course. So our classes are driven by examples and concepts, not by PPT shows. Yes, friends, I promise you, no PPTs in the class, no, straight to the point, notes, printable Word document, and example based activities step by step from scratch, right from installation to always on project work and DP300 certification exam guidance, part of our classes. We will be learning from scratch. And to make all these items more easier for us, here is the chapter wise content from our website. We'll start from the scratch, right from introduction to installations to basic activities, architecture activities, audits, backups, restore audits, jobs, all maintenance plans, security management, tuning. There is detailed step-by-step 1 week of dedicated tuning classes. 1 week for high availability and disaster recovery classes. 1 week for troubleshooting, repairs, updates, upgrade activities. And then comes project work for our resume. And Azure module, cloud module, we'll be learning from scratch migrations, architecture, tuning, backup management, replication, security, and so on. We'll do it slowly, step by step. Trust me, sessions will be completely into practice zone. And we will be using latest versions of SQL Server 2022 and 2019. Software, I shall guide you step by step for installation. Prerequisites, Windows 8 or higher. 6 gig RAM minimum requirement. If you are using MacBook, please enable Windows or install VM, virtual machine, and do reach me for your support, for any kind of support activities. Here is the notes for our DBA classes. We'll start from the very basics of what is database, what we do as a DBA. From scratch, we'll do slowly step by step. And we'll understand slowly about installation, basics of SQL. First 2 weeks, all basics we'll be doing here. And then comes from third week comes something called backups, restores, jobs, maintenance plans, security activities, good amount of assignments and scenario activities we'll be doing. I'll make you involve you as a DBA for various scenarios. So need your support. I badly need your support with on-time practice. With your support, the course continues. On-time practice required throughout the course. And the course includes one project. If our interviewer asks us what we did in our project, what are the challenges we face in the project, part of our classes, we'll be doing it slowly, step by step. Even Azure, good amount of cloud concepts, migrations, and comparisons, cloud versus non-cloud comparisons, part of our classes. We'll take it from scratch, right from the very basics, and do let me know for doubts, clarifications, if any. So first 33 chapters common for everyone, 6 weeks journey, Monday to Friday. Then comes Azure DBA activities for experienced participants for another 4 weeks. We'll do it slowly, step by step. Software installation, I will take care. On-time practice, you please take care. Make sure you have Windows 8 or higher operating system. Any further questions, clarifications, please do reach me on my number or LinkedIn, or you may reach our team. We'll start our sessions from tomorrow. Slowly, step by step, we'll start our sessions. Any questions, anyone, let me know, please. I will wait. Yes, Pratiksha, payment, yes, Kaja, Gopal, Bhavya, Akhil, any questions, let me know, please. I'll wait. Arvind, yes, any questions, let me know, please. I'll stay back now. We'll start our classes from tomorrow, please. Yes, any questions, please let me know. Over to you. I'll wait. Yes, fine. So what we learn today, what is database, what is DBMS? Okay, database management system. Then what is SQL DBA? As an SQL DBA, it's all about maintenance, repairs, troubleshooting, and security management. It's all about high availability, called HA, remember, disaster recovery. Anything is wrong, automatically repair happens. Automatic repairing, disaster recovery. Next comes tuning operations, updates, upgrades, cloud migrations, and cloud management activities, and DP300 exam guidance. For our resume, we have project work, its solution, and project FAQs for our interviews. We'll start our sessions from tomorrow, from scratch, step by step. We'll do complete notes, part of our course. Please make sure we have Windows 8 or higher operating system. Any questions here, let me know, please. I'll wait. I'll stay back. Please, anyone,
Hi,
any
sir. This
questions,
is
let me know. I'll wait.
Hi,
Bhavya,
sir.
yes, madam. Please tell me.
Hi, sir. This is Bhavishri this side. Actually, I am already means I have worked in one of the project as DBA. However, I took a break because of my maternity leave, so I am unable to recall anything. So I tried to download this SQL MS SQL Server from Microsoft before joining the class, but it is giving me error of something about the values are null. This type of error it is giving me.
No problem.
So,
We'll be discussing
okay.
common errors and solutions as well anyway. Give me 1 day time, madam. Tomorrow we are going to deal with installation anyway. I'll
Okay,
guide you
okay.
further. Okay, we'll do. Sure.
All right.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, we'll do step by step. Sure. Yep. Next question, please. I will wait. Yes, please. Anyone, any questions? I'll stay back for some time, please. We start our classes from tomorrow, slowly, step by step. Any questions? Let me know, please. I'll wait. Everyone. So, how many hours you can practice per day, everyone, please? Can you practice minimum 1 hour, everyone, please? Everyone. From tomorrow, we start the practice.
Yes. Yes, sir. Sure.
Yes. Yes. Others, please let me know. Others, please. Vinay, Pratiksha, Piman, yes, Kaja, Gopal, Akhil, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sure. Others, please. Gopal cannot hear you. Vinay cannot hear you. Please check your
Yes,
mic, please.
Yes.
Sure, sure. Okay. Fine then. I'll do this way. I'll send you the complete notes today. Okay, I'll send you all these slides. Please go through them carefully to get some idea what we are going to learn in our classes. Okay, this important slide 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Total 5 slides. Slide 1, the process. Slide 2, 3 are about what we learn. Then keyword checklist for our resume and job work. Chapter wise content snapshot. I'll send you all this information on email. Our team shall call you after the class today. They'll call you now. Any questions you can reach me directly, or you may post your questions to our team. We'll start from tomorrow 8 p.m. sharp India time, same time as today, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. IST from Monday to Friday. If required, we may have extra class on Saturday like revision or use case scenarios, etc. from third week or fourth week of the course. If required, we will do. By default, it is Monday to Friday. So ample time for practice. Let's make it 100% practical. Step by step, we'll do. Thank you. Meeting from tomorrow. Have a nice time. Thank you. See you tomorrow then. 8
Thank you.
p.m. sharp. Thank you so much. Our team shall call you now. Thank you. Have a nice time. Yep.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Thank you. Yep.